What's up YouTube? My name is Brian Johnson, owner and operator of Captain Lockpick, and today I will be showing you a new technique that I have just learned myself. I saw a video posted by a guy named Russ. I'll tag him in the description, so credit to him. But this technique basically allows you to make a key for a smart key lock that you do not have a key for, and the coolest part about it is you don't even have to take it apart. In the past, if a customer is locked out of their home and they have smart key technology on their door, I'm unable to pick those locks personally. I have 0 success rate. I have yet to pick one of those. I also haven't tried very much. But yeah, for the last couple of years, I've been using the Smartkey dumb tool. Basically, it's a forced entry that does destroy the lock. So this technique does not destroy the lock. Basically, we will be using a KW1 Lishi. See if you can see it there. This is the only tool you need. I will be using this Baldwin lock right here. Smartkey is often used on Kwikset. You'll see Kwikset, they're the ones who made it. Baldwin, same thing. So yeah, let's just get right into it and I will show you how to make a key for this lock using a KW1 Lishi tool. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is stick your KW1 Lishi tool into the cylinder, the keyway right there. And what we are doing is called the jiggle test. So basically we're going to start at space 1 and we're going to start at depth 6. And you're going to put lots of tension on it, wiggle it. As you can see, it's really tight, not a whole lot of movement. Let off tension, go to 5, put lots of tension, jiggle it, still pretty tight. Go down to 4, tight, go down to 3, a little bit of movement. Let's go down to 2. Lots of movement. So that space 1 is going to be a depth 2. So let's start at space 2, depth 6. Not a lot of movement. A little movement, but still pretty tight. Go down to 4, tight. 3, tight. 2, lots of movement. So space 2 is also going to be a depth 2. Let's move on to 3. Not much movement, but a little bit. Move down to 5, still pretty tight. Move down to 4, tight. Move down to 3, lots of movement. So that's what we're looking for right there. Space 3 is going to be a depth 3. Move on to 4, tight. Go down to 5, tight. Oops. Still pretty tight there. Move on to 3, tight. Let's go down to 2. Lots of movement. Space 4 is going to be a depth 2. Let's go to 5. Starting at 6, pretty tight. Go down to 5. Alright, so that one's lots of movement. Let's try that again. That's 4, gonna go to 5, lots of movement. Okay, so that one's going to be a 5. So the code to the key for this lock is going to be 22325. I am going to go cut up a key and see if it works. I am going to be doing this the old-fashioned way. I am going to be using these space and depth keys. My code cutting machine is currently getting calibrated, so I do not have it right now. Let's start with the first one, which is a 2. Alright, there we go. Let's go test it out. Okay, so I got my key right here that I cut up. It is a 22325. Let's test it out, see if it works. And there we go. We now have a key for this lock. Thanks for watching my video on how to use a KW1 Lishi tool to make a key for a Smartkey lock. Check out my other videos if you want to learn more locksmithing techniques. If you found this video useful, smash that like button, and subscribes are appreciated as well. See you on the next one.